In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create weekly recurring tasks in Notion. Setting up recurring tasks is a great way to make sure important routines never slip through the cracks. Instead of recreating the same task every week, we'll have Notion do the work for us by automatically duplicating it on a schedule. Start by opening your projects or tasks database in Notion, or whichever database you use to manage your to-dos. At the top of the database, look for the button that lets you add a new item. This is usually labeled New. Go ahead and click on New to create a fresh task. Give this task a clear name, like weekly planning, team check-in, or whatever you want to repeat every week. You can fill in any properties you normally use, such as project, status, or due date. Think of this as your template task that will be copied every time. Once you've set up the task the way you like, look for the three dots menu in the top right corner of the task page. This is the Options or More menu for that specific task. Click on the three dots to open the drop-down menu. This is where Notion hides a lot of powerful features related to the page. In that drop-down, find the option that says Duplicate Every. This is Notion's built-in recurring feature. Click on Duplicate Every, and you'll see a small panel or menu appear that lets you choose how often you want this task to be duplicated. From here, you'll want to select the weekly option. Depending on your setup, you may be able to fine-tune it further, like choosing a specific day of the week. Select the weekly frequency that best matches when you want this task to show up. Keep in mind that Notion will create a new copy of this task on that schedule, so make sure the original is set up exactly how you want each new instance to look. After you've chosen your weekly setting, confirm it by clicking on Save. This step is important. If you close the menu without saving, the recurring schedule won't be applied. Once you hit Save, Notion will remember that this task should be duplicated every week. From now on, you'll get a fresh copy of that task on your chosen schedule with all the same properties ready to go. That's all you need to do to create weekly recurring tasks in Notion.